a little place that we like to go to when we're looking for American snacks and food products.
These are two of our favorites because the things that we're looking for, they often have it.
$18 for coffee, y'all. Ain't that crazy? Look, y'all, so we got chicken noodle soup.
How many pesos is the chicken noodle soup? 59 pesos. Hold on.
59 pesos is $3.48. Crazy.
$23.
$23
For lemonade.
for that. Country Time lemonade.
But they
You
got
want
a
some
small one that
lemonade?
we got, which is 180.
I came here for my grape jelly, $169. That's like $7.
What's up, teammates? We back with another video today.
Today we're gonna be showing y'all a little place that we like to go to when we're looking for American snacks and food products.
So a few videos ago, we were talking about how we spend so much on imported items when we want our products from the United States. So a lot of people's like, I wonder how much do it cost? What does it look like? That type of thing. So today you're going to see.
We're actually gonna be taking y'all to two locations of the same business. And they both have different things. So let's go ahead and get into the video. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Let's get into it.
The first location we're going to be taking y'all to is going to be in Progreso. This place is called El Paso Importation Store, and they have two locations, one in Progreso and one in the Temazon Norte area.
These are just two of the many importation stores around the city. These are two of our favorites because the things that we're looking for, they often have it.
Yeah, so let's go.
Let's go.
All right, y'all, so it's kind of loud because we're out in Progreso on the main street. We're here at the first location, El Paso Importation Store.
So let's go see what they got inside. Let's do it. What you getting? You want
These, I like these, y'all.
how much are they?
18 pesos each. In America, these would be 10 cents. This is almost $1.
That is over $1.
Damn.
But look, they got Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Reese's, Cheetos.
Let's look at the prices though.
Okay, so boom, $9.97.
For this, for some cereal. All right, so look, we got some Campbell's chicken noodle soup for 119 pesos. That's like $5. 119 pesos.
That's $7.02.
Look, y'all, so we got chicken noodle soup.
How many pesos is the chicken noodle soup? 59 pesos. Hold on.
59 pesos is $3.48. Crazy. How much?
399 pesos. $23.
$23
For lemonade.
for that. Country Time lemonade.
But they
You
got a
want some
small one that
lemonade?
we got, which is 180.
We got this one at home.
Yeah, 189.
This one, 189 pesos.
Which is $11.15. $11.15.
$11.
They got some Nescafe. They got, Kool-Aid too.
Okay, let's Folgers. How much y'all pay for coffee at home? This is 319 pesos.
$18.82.
$18 for coffee, y'all. Ain't that crazy? Peanut butter, $5. 119 pesos.
That's $7.02.
$7, y'all. What is in hot sauce?
We know that's
89
$5.25. They got the the twisted joints. I'm not sure how much these is. I think they're like 80 pesos or something. Munchos, goldfish. They got the noodles in the cup. They got the microwave, so they'll like warm it up for you. Like they got everything you need. The nerds down there. So we got some ranch seasoning last time, which was 200 pesos. That was like what, $12? But they have, oh, they got Lori's down there.
Lori's, 89 pesos.
So we know that's $7.
$7.
Yeah, they got, you know, they got everything it is you think you might need. Over there you got your chips. I'm gonna go over there. The Velveeta, that's the crazy part. It's 299 pesos for Velveeta cheese. But this is like the only place you can find the actual Velveeta. They got goldfish.
I'm about to get some of these, y'all.
150 pesos.
150 pesos. What's that?
I have to do the math later. Oh, go ahead, you can take it. I do it.
I'm actually about to get a box of these. 149 pesos.
149, $8.79. She about to pay.
Crazy. But I want
So we gonna get them.
graham crackers, 169 pesos.
So 189 pesos for cupcakes, bro.
189.
And then Twinkies is 219.
Bro. 219 pesos is crazy. But yeah, they got chips, all types of chips.
You remember these? How much I used to love these joints?
Yeah. How much are they?
They ain't no price on them. I'm getting them. I don't care. I ain't seen these in a million years, but I'm getting them.
Alright, y'all, so we about to just pick up a few things and check out.
So let's show what we got.
Let's show y'all what we got for now. Alright, so this is what we got. Cheez-Its, noodles, pistachios, cupcakes, chips. $78.65 for all this stuff. Alright, y'all, we are back in the car from our first stop in Progreso. Now we're about to drive about 20 minutes back to the city, to the other location, which is in TmT&Norte. And we like to go to 2 locations only because they have different things. Like at this location, I know I can get my creamy chicken noodles, which I love. And at the other location, I can get my jelly. I can't go to, you know, the other location because they don't have the same stuff, so.
I know a lot of people might be like, y'all spent $78. We literally got Mountain Dew,
Noodles.
cupcakes, noodles, Cheez-Its, pistachios, and a bag of chips.
2 bags of chips.
2 bags of chips, my bad, for $78.
$78.
So
that's the type of stuff that we be doing, you know, and this
frequently.
This is not something that you must do. This is just something that we do because we be wanting to taste the home, and we be wanting like different things, like American snacks and food. So it works for us. So we're headed to the second location, and we'll see y'all there. All right, y'all, so we are here at the second location
In TmT&Norte.
El Paso importation store. We're about to go in.
This is the smaller one, but they still got some good stuff in here, so let's see.
Yeah.
But it's way more expensive.
Is it?
Yeah, it's $3.39.
At the other one, it was how much? $3.39 here. A little bit more expensive. Oh, they even got wolf chili. Wolf chili, 99 pesos for 1 can, y'all. That's like over $5. Bush baked beans, $1.39. I think this one has got all the chips up here. How much are those?
Don't know. We'll see if the rest.
Oh, no price on the noodles. Okay. Right, let's see. We got Country Time, $3.99. I think it was a little cheaper.
No, I was $3.99.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I came here for my grape jelly, $1.69. That's like $7, y'all. But I need it. You good? Look at that. Those pistachios, $1.90, $1.19.
Oh, that's what I'm
Or
saying.
$2.69. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, on this side, we got the Pringles. Tostitos, $1.59. It's like $6-7.
But they got French Toast Crunch on there. Cinnamon Toast Crunch minis. Cocoa Puffs loaded. Treats
I
loaded.
bet you this is like $10. I ain't gonna lie.
They got Frosted Flakes with vanilla flavored marshmallows. Cocoa Puffs loaded.
That's funny.
Gotta show them that they got a variety.
89 pesos, about $4.
That is our second stop at the second importation store. This one we got jelly and we got noodles. It was only 200 pesos. And that was our day going shopping for imported goods in Mexico.
Yeah, and all together we probably spent like $85 to $90 USD just
Didn't
for
get no food.
just for, you know, the little stuff that we did get. And the only reason why we got this stuff from the importation store is because they do not sell them at the local Walmarts, the local Sam's Club, whatever. You cannot find it anywhere other than an importation store, so you gotta pay times 3, times 4, times 10 sometimes.
You're gonna either get it when you fly back to the States and bring it back in your bag, or you're gonna go spend an extra couple dollars for it here. So.
Yeah, so that was it, y'all. We about to head out. We gotta go get some dinner. We about to stop at Wendy's. So as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss no upcoming videos.
And until next time, peace.